Hi. Hi. My name is Paige. What's yours? Mine is Miriam. Nice name, Miriam. Do you like Sonic? Yes, me too. I like Sonic and Shadow. I like Sonic's sister Sonia, Rouge, Shadow, Sonic and Knuckles. Me too. Cool. Hi dudes, what's up? Yo, Paige. Yeah. Would you like to come to my house and hold my little bird Chubby? Is it a buggy? No, it's a canary. I love canaries. Me too. I love cats. Do you? Yep, we have so much in common. Yeah. Is that the ice cream truck? I don't think so. It doesn't normally sound like that. I hear the truck changed its siren. Oh, come on quickly, let's cash it up. It is too fast for us. Maybe it will stop. It will stop at the other side of town. Oh, who needs ice cream anyway? Yeah, but I'm pretty hungry. Me too. We really are like each other. Yeah. Wait, maybe you're my sister. I don't know. I mean, there is a 77% chance we're sisters and a 89% we're not. Yeah, I guess so. But we will be best buds no matter what happens. Yeah, you're really nice. Thanks, you are too. Thanks. Do you like dragons? Yep, you bet. Me too. They're so cool. I mean, what's not to like about them? They can fly, they can almost do anything, even breathe fire, ice, poison, shadow, wind and fear. Aren't it those elements for Spyro and Cinder from that awesome game Spyro? Yep. Do you have a white or black Wii? Black. Same. Bye folks. Bye dudes and dudettes out there. See you next time. This video is for Tail Sonic Page 123 or Page. My name is Miriam from Reels. I have also done the video Miriam Nasrallah and Tails at a meeting. My uncle is Simsim 7777. He put Miriam Nasrallah and Tails at a meeting on for me. I just did it to show him my PowerPoint, but he decided to put it on YouTube. And I keep on thanking him. I'm new to YouTube. I only joined before yesterday, the 21st of May 2011. This is my first ever video for Dawn on this account. Bye.